Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning. This is Amena Begum. Professionally, I am a teacher of BDB Secondary School. I belongs to Gazipur. Okay, my dear student, welcome to our class. Now, our class is class for class 9 and 10. Let's start our main class. Okay, my dear student, look at the 3 questions. Do you understand what types of question? Okay, I guess you are understand. This is the difference between 3 questions. Now, my dear student, our today's topic is tag question. We will learn about tag question. Okay, we go to the next slide. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to tell what is question tag, tell the 6 steps of making question tags, use question tag properly. Okay, my dear student, now we go to the next one. Why are the question tags for? Question tag have 2 purpose. One, to clarify information is right or wrong. For example, student must work, mustn't they? Number 2, Reza had got a job, hadn't he? Number 2, to agree with someone we are speaking to. For example, he has a pen, hasn't he? Give me a book, will you? Now, my dear student, I go to the next one. How will you make question tag? Now we learn how we make question tag. The 6 steps of making question tags. What is step? There are 6 steps to making question tags. Step 1, identify the verb in the sentences. Reza got a job. Here, step 2, identify steps of verb. Here, I identify the verb gets. Here is the verb. Steps 2, identify the types of verb. What types of the verb? Is it the verb to be or to do or to have, and auxiliary verbs or the main verb? Now I go to the next one. Step 3, identify the tense of verb. Which kinds of tense? Present or past or future? It is present or past tense. Step 4, identify determine. If in present tense, find correct form of verb from first person and third person. If the first person, use auxiliary to be or to do in the past. Reza got a job, does. Use auxiliary does because there is no auxiliary verb here. This is the main verb. When we find main verb, we use to do verb. Now here Reza is third person. Okay, now we go to the step 3. Step 3, 4, and 5. Identify the statement in positive or negative. We should have to follow the statement is positive or negative. If the statement is positive, the question tag will be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Reza gets a job, doesn't. Positive statement, negative statement. Step 6, identify pronoun instead of noun. Reza got a job, doesn't he? Here Reza is a noun. We have to use here pronoun. We always have to use pronoun in the statement. Okay, now overview the statement. First statement, identify verb in the sentence. Step 2, identify the verb type of verbs. Step 3, identify the tense of verb. Step 4, identify the determinant. Step 5, identify the statement in positive or negative. Statement 6, identify pronoun instead of noun. Okay, my dear student, now I go to the next slide. If negative statement, we go to use, we have to use affirmative tense. Rafiq is not studying, isn't he? Student must not work, must they. Positive statement, always we have to use negative tense. Reza had got a job, hadn't he? They are brothers, aren't they? Do you understand, my dear student? Okay, brilliant. Now let's practice. He is a liar. Here is the auxiliary verb, so we use here, and then it is affirmative, so we here use negative, and he use here he. He is a liar, isn't he? He is not a liar, is he? I need some money, don't I? He needs a pen, doesn't he? He has hardly rained, has he? Shut the door, will you? Let's have a picnic, shall we? None of them can speak English. Can they? My pen writes well, doesn't it? One should do one's duty, shouldn't one? Okay, my dear student, now go to the next slide. For imperative, when we use imperative sentences with an imperative, the tag question is will you, won't you, or can you, or can't you, or would you, or could you, we shall use. I shut the door. Would you let me close the door? Will you? This is an important, we can use all the things in these sentences. Let me close the door. You can use will you can use can you can't you, you can use won't you. All of them you can use in these sentences. With let's or let us, let the tag is shall we. Let's go to market. Shall we? Here we use us, then we. Let us have a picnic. Shall we? Okay? Do you understand? Okay, brilliant, my student. Okay, now use a positive tag question after a sentence containing a negative word such as hardly, scarcely, seldom, barely, little, few, never, etc. He seldom comes here, does he? Though it is seem to positive, but it is negative sense. So it is, here we use positive sense, does he? Let practice. There is a little water in the pond. Is there? Here little is a negative sense. Here few of boys were present here. Where they? He hardly believes me. He hardly believes me. These are negative sense, so we here use positive tag. Do you understand? Excellent. Okay. Okay. When the subject is nobody, somebody, everybody, no one, someone, everyone, or everyone, everybody or everyone, we use they in the question tag. Nobody called me. This is a past indefinite. So we use here did. So didn't they? Somebody wanted to go with you. These are past tense. So we use didn't they. Every day, everybody should speak the truth. Shouldn't they? None of them can speak English. Can they? Every mother loves her child. Don't they? Okay. My dear student, do you understand? I think you are enjoy this class. Okay, my dear student, with the subject anything, something, nothing or everything, we use it in the question tag. Something will do, won't we? Something we use it. Something, anything, something, nothing, everything, anything, all thing we use it in the question tag. Anything will do, won't it? Something is better than nothing, isn't it? Nothing can concern you, can it? Everything is pleasant, isn't it? Anything is possible for them, isn't it? Okay, my dear student, now we go to the next one. If the main verb is have or need, it is more common to use do in the question tag. I need some money, don't I? She needed a ride, didn't she? You have nice pen, don't you? We use didn't in the question tag. You used to ride horses, didn't you? Where we find used to, we use didn't in the question tags. And now we go to the next one. Some are different question tags. Some verb from question tag differently. You can use I am, aren't I? Aren't I am helpful, aren't I? This is, that is, all are, isn't it? That are, these, that, this become it. That's your bag over there, isn't it? Bag is a we use it. Okay, my dear student, here your homework. Now write down your khata, this homework. If you find any problem, you call me, I will help you. Okay, my dear student, I am a SSC examinee number 2. My expectation is getting A plus. Some of my classmates become addicted to using mobile phones. They could not pass the test exam. Everybody hates them for this reason. Okay, my dear student. Now we go to the next one. I hope you have understood how to answer the question tag. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.